mixed dal, green vegetable, everything need to be chopped. Grated ginger, chili, tamarind, curry leaves, onion, black pepper, peanut, all vegetable which you have it. Carrot, green pepper, sweet potato. I have a batata, red pepper, jalapenos, um, whichever vegetable you have it, and mix dal and rice. So it has a all lentil, masoor, like red lentil, chickpea split, moong bean split, whatever split dal you have it. Mix it like half and half, like rice and half dal. Then I have put the oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan, 1 big spoon of cumin. Then you can add the onion. Oh, I forgot the peanuts. I can add the peanuts now. First add the curry leaves, ginger, chili, onion, everything is there now. One spoon of turmeric. Add the tamarind. Tamarind gives the sour taste. While I'm gonna eat that white sweet potato, like the purple one which comes inside is the white, not the yellow one, because yellow one tastes different. I don't like that one. If you want to use, you can try, but just become very mushy. So I added just the other one. I'm gonna add the whole vegetable. Then salt, and the amount of the dal and rice you have it, like lentil and rice, so you can add at least 4 times water and salt. Add the water. I have measured just 4 or 5 times, somewhere around. I'm gonna add that rice and lentil here. So after little boil, we can cover with the pressure cooker, and then I can give only 1 whistle. You can do this recipe into instant pot, about 5 times water with the rice ratio, and then cook for 8 minutes. I'll show you after the whistle. We're gonna open the very delicious, all vegetable, lentil and rice, everything. Food is ready to eat.